Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your loadout for the egg hunting game. You need a toilet morph plus one helper morph to reach the egg area. Spawn at the lobby spawn point using coordinates X, 142Y, 12Z, -75 immediately after the round starts. Bring at least 150 health or healing items before entering the enclosed bathroom section. Equip a fast mobility morph or sprint ability to reduce exposure time. Confirm your helper knows the push and stand technique before proceeding into the room. Enter the bathroom zone cautiously and close the door behind you to delay enemies. Have your helper push you onto the right sink ledge and then onto the toilet lid. Use the toilet morph to crouch and reach the egg height 3½ inches above the rim. Open the hidden panel at the toilet base by holding Interact for 6 seconds to reveal the egg inside. Retrieve the egg quickly while your helper blocks the doorway. Leave immediately to avoid spawn waves of rainbow enemies. Once you have the egg, move with deliberate speed toward the extraction route. Carry the egg while your helper holds the door open for a clear 12-second exit corridor. Avoid jumping or vaulting, which increases drop risk and slows momentum. Follow the hallway to the extraction point at coordinates X 210Y, 8Z, -40 for a safe trade or deposit. If enemies attack, drop the egg within 5 seconds and hide until threats pass. Regroup with your team and confirm the egg transfer to complete the run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.